Alright, hey guys. Today I'm just going to be doing a video of my fireworks stash for the 4th of July / New Year's. So this is like leftover fireworks and fireworks that we didn't light off. And this 4th of July, so I'm just going to be, this is my stash, and yeah, so right off the top, I have a rose blossom from TNT Fireworks. Right there. I haven't seen one of these before, so yeah. Then I have a sparkling glory. These are pretty cool. Yeah. Then I have a Dixie Dust by TNT Fireworks. Then I have 6 packs sparklers, just regular sparklers. And then I have an 8-pack of smoke balls by TNT Fireworks. 8 assorted colors. And then I have 1 big pack and 1 small pack of flashing fountains. And then I have 1 pyro fan fountain by TNT Fireworks. I've heard that these are pretty good. And all of these, I'm pretty sure, have glow for uses on them. And I have these 2 little guys. This one's the diamond cutter. It's pretty cool. And this one is the jitterbug. I've never seen this one before. And then I have the global lights. That one's pretty cool. Starfire's pretty cool. And Pyrofire, I've never seen that one before. And right here, I have, like, I think 8 of these firecrackers. I think they're Zuki firecrackers. It's like firing off a big old gun. Like, these are very loud. Like, they're like, ooh. They're like artillery shells, salutes, and stuff like that. That's how big these are. And then I have Grizzly and a Grizzly artillery shell with 6 artillery shells. See, one there, and there. And there are a bunch more Zukis. And then I think there are 7 packs of bottle rockets right there. And we also have the Excalibur. And there it shows under there. The tubes are out in my garage, and I don't have them with me right now. So yeah, that was my full fireworks stash for this 4th of July and all. This is a pretty small stash, but I didn't have very much money this year. So thanks for watching, and I'll get back to you pretty soon. Bye.